As you can tell, I love Anker Bluetooth products. Today, we'll check out these Anker Soundcore Life P2 soundbuds. Alright. Alright, here they are. Anker Soundcore Life P2 soundbuds. As you can tell, well, like many soundbuds nowadays, they come in this convenient carrying case. As you probably know, these cases serve a double purpose. Carrying case, but also a charging pod that you can plug with the provided USB-C cable. And here they are. What I really like with Anker and their product is the design. It's always slick, it's always kind of minimalist, and it's always well thought through. To turn them on, you just need to lift them from the case. They will automatically turn on and connect to your paired Bluetooth device. They connect separately, you can use only one, and you see those tiny pins? That's where they charge. So you get batteries in your earbuds and batteries in the carrying case that will charge for longer playtime. And as you've seen, they're magnetic. They're really well held in this. I'm shaking this case pretty hard and they stick in place. They will probably never fall off. But you should keep the lid on. It fits in a pocket, it's tiny, does the job, that's all you need, right? And the sound is actually great. If you're in the market for a sharp pair of earbuds, I can only recommend this one. I'll put a link in the description below so you can find them easily. Check out my channel for other Anker Soundcore reviews. Thanks for watching, see you next time. Cheers!